Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn the specifics about the user access controls built into Bose professional Videobar devices. To view and adjust the user access controls, you can use either Videobar administration or Videobar configuration. Details about these apps can be learned in separate tutorials. For this tutorial, I will use the Videobar administration app and connect to the VB devices via their network connections. Then I'll click on the checkbox to the left of the desired devices and scroll to the user access section. As seen, these are the factory default settings. SNMP and API are disabled, and when connected to a VB1, you'll also see that display link is disabled. User access is broken into three sections: video, audio, and network connectivity. Let me explain user access. The provided toggles not only remove user access to the chosen feature, but it also turns off that feature completely. For instance, the camera toggle dictates if the camera will be available to the UC host computer for user selection. When disabled, the camera will no longer stream video or populate to the attached user computer. Auto frame access enables or disables the auto frame feature as you'd expect. Disabling the camera also disables auto framing. Exclusive to the VB1, display link control enables or disables video over the USB connection. This is because the HDMI output connection to an external display is enabled or disabled through the control. The setting is defaulted to the disabled setting from the factory to prevent user error that is introduced when the connected computers do not have the latest display link drivers. If you would like to utilize display link, set the selector to enabled and install the latest drivers for free from the website link shown here. Microphone mute access enables or disables the user's ability to mute the microphone array through the remote. It can also be useful to disable the microphone mute when using UC clients that don't support microphone synchronization with the VB device. This will reduce the number of points the microphone can be muted, preventing user confusion. In this case, the microphone would be muted from within the UC application directly. Another option exclusive to the VB1, wired network, dictates that the hardwired network port is enabled or disabled. Depending on your organization's security or network protocols, you may want to disable this connection to prevent unwanted access to the device. Note that by disabling the setting, the Bose Professional Videobar VB1 will not be accessible from any network management applications. Wireless network dictates if the wireless network card is enabled or disabled. Disabling the setting will prevent the VB devices from connecting to applications via the wireless network card. Only one network interface is required and recommended to use the remote management tools. SNMP enables or disables the ability to expose device settings from the Videobar to another network device such as AV or building control systems. To learn more about the built-in SNMP feature, please visit boseprofessional.com to download the SNMP guide. Similar to SNMP, API enables or disables the option to expose and edit Videobar settings using a third-party network device. A REST API guide is also available for download at boseprofessional.com. Bluetooth enables or disables the option for the Videobar to be discovered and connected to by another Bluetooth device. If you would like to prevent users from accessing the Videobar using the Videobar mobile app or streaming Bluetooth audio, you should disable the setting. Web UI enables or disables the option to access the Videobar configuration settings through a web browser using the device's IP address. This concludes our deep dive into the user access settings available to administrators to customize the Bose Professional Videobar VB device user experience. Your key takeaways are the user access controls go beyond just removing user access and also turns off the chosen feature. The factory default settings for VB devices have all features enabled except for SNMP and API. When connected to a VB1, display link is also disabled. User access controls are organized into three sections: video, audio, and network. That's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to view our entire Bose Professional Videobar tutorial library so you can become an expert.